Rain drummed steadily on the city's cracked window panes as the anonymous writer hunched over his battered typewriter. Each keystroke echoed sharply in the dim, smoke-filled room, the only witness to secrets spilled across the yellowed pages. No one knew his name or face, only the cryptic stories slipped under editors' doors at midnight. His latest tale told of a vanished heiress, a detective haunted by regret, and a city where everyone wore a mask to hide their true selves. The details were too precise, too real. Names, addresses, whispered confessions that matched last week's headlines. Editors debated if he was spinning fiction or confessing crimes. The city buzzed with rumors. Was the writer exposing dark truths or weaving elaborate lies to confuse and distract? Shadows lengthened as the writer tapped out his final line, sealing the fate of his characters and perhaps his own. The next morning, police found the detective from the story sitting by the docks, clutching a blood-stained letter. No one saw the writer leave, but his typewriter sat silent, a single page left behind. Sometimes the truth is just another story.